If you have a Nobles SS5 or a Tennant T5e with an intermittent drive dropout, or if you're at very low speed, propel will not work, forward or even reverse. Problem is often in the left or right trigger assembly. You have a trigger and a housing. Inside of it is a small contact switch. The trigger has a cam that comes down and depresses the button. Very occasionally you'll see that this nut is backed off and the trigger is loose and the cam is not fully depressing the button, even when pulled hard. Sometimes these can be bent or broken and they're just not making good contact. But most typically, if you loosen these four little ears on the metal tab, you can remove the top of the switch, and inside you'll see there is a little brass bus bar inside that carries the current across. That brass plate itself can be pushed down and bent to where it's not making good contact, or you can get these little black char marks, the little discoloration in there. That little discoloration there. It's a very low voltage, low current application. It's 1 to 5 volts. Very small amperage. And if it has any kind of a galvanic corrosion or just a little bit of char built up inside of it, it can limit the ability to have the signal travel through and create an intermittent dropout. So you'll be driving along and then drive will just stop, or you just won't be able to get drive to go. You can often tell this by going from the right to left trigger or hitting the trigger several times, and you'll notice drive will come back. If drive works normally, it's not stalling, working very diminished, it's good functioning drive, but just sometimes won't work, you'll want to check your triggers. Very easily serviced with a small wire brush, some contact cleaner, carb cleaner, just clean those pads off. Nice, clean, shiny metal. Put your switch back together. Use some needle nose pliers to crimp those little ears back down on it. Make sure you might need a little screwdriver, bend those tabs up. If you needed to buy one of these switches, they're only about $7 from a wholesale supplier. The whole switch assembly is maybe $50 online, but it can easily be serviced in about 2 or 3 minutes.